Hey guys, Chris here. Today we are playing Sky PvP on a server. I have a friend Angel Rock AK-47 here. So yeah, let's go.
Hello.
Let's move it.
But I'm taking items, but
Okay,
I am first time here, so
I am like
in this server.
I was top 10 first. I had like 100 kills on this server on only with 1 day. Second day I only made 2 kills. So yeah, now they all are 0.
Mhm.
So
I
yeah.
am getting the kit starter right now. Those kits, like. Mm. There's a kit food. What the kit food does?
Kit food gives you
Really?
it gives you stick.
Nah, then it's bad, I guess. Or is it bad?
Yeah,
I don't know.
you can get. Oh, never mind. Actually, if you come down, I
That
will
is.
kill you.
Ah,
Jump down,
what?
jump down, jump down.
Ramin, don't kill me, please. Oh, I jumped down.
Don't worry, I will kill you
You're gonna kill me?
in 5 years. Just look.
You don't never find me.
I have 5 seconds. That makes 5 years. So yeah, I'm just gonna chant some stuff. OMG, how bad swords are coming.
What are you doing right now?
Enchanting.
Ok.
I'm gonna be in down in 5 seconds. If you are a man, be there. Are you down? Where are you?
How you get the exactly XP?
I will not tell you. That was written in the spawn.
Holy!
That was written in the
I
spawn.
felt
You killed yourself.
I
By
fell down so.
by cruel world, right? Holy crap! I almost killed myself. Good thing. I'm pretty smart because I have ender pearls. Jump down.
I fell down so.
Jump down. I will not kill you. I will just own you. Wow.
I have
Bother.
only those
Bother.
3 items because my Kickstarter don't
I
work anymore. So fuck no. Yeah, put that IP in the description. Oh, sure.
Yeah, IP will be in the description. It's an Estonian server, so yeah, kinda hard. It's not English.
So
It's an our country server. I didn't pump it louder, pump it louder. Protect. Oh,
yeah,
dude.
I want to say where am I then or something.
Oh, dude, where are you?
I am in like some kind of stone pyramid or something like that.
Okay, in 5 seconds I have a present for you.
Okay, so it means 5 years.
No, 5 minutes. No,
It's like full of cakes, this pyramid. So
yeah, one sign is full of cakes.
I'm going to that cave thingy that is in here.
Pump
I
louder.
can
Pump.
well, I get the diamond helmet, so oh here's ender chest. I put my cake in that, I guess.
Oh, I have to wait so much minutes. I have a present for
What
you.
are you doing right now?
Nothing actually. No, nothing. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. Nothing at all.
Coming to kill me, right?
No. Maybe.
You're just coming to own me.
No.
Then
I will say when you will come to spawn, okay?
I'm down in the with a Q or something.
I'm just clicking so hard right now.
Hi. There's 6 humans in this server, so yeah. Why you don't
It's not
trust
a
them?
popular server, but it's cool to play.
Okay. Holy lag!
Holy lag! Holy lag! Holy
I
lag!
just jumped off because the lag was too hard. I will get that. I can't freaking get that. I'm at spawn right now, so
Oh, come here, come
come
here.
and get me.
I have a present for you. Come up, come up. Come here, I have a present for you.
What?
Don't take those shit of stuff. Come here, come here. Come,
Shit.
follow me, follow me, follow me.
Wait. I will now.
Follow me, follow me.
Okay.
Go there, I will be.
Where are you?
Follow! Go there, I'm gonna be in here.
I will be here. Where did you get those from?
I enchanted them.
Okay, thanks then. Protection 4, like sharpness 4 and looting and stuff. Thanks. Let's go. Jump down? Or what?
Yeah, jump down, jump.
Oh, I found like stack of golden apples. So.
Yeah, they are not that word. Jump down. Someone jump there.
I will jump right now.
Yeah, I killed the dude
Yeah.
right. I killed the dude right now.
What dude? Oh, hey, I see you. There's somebody.
What the?
Maybe she spawns him. Oh, what?
I got 1 kill right now thanks to the. You are down. Who went down?
I died, so. Where you get the XP from?
On the chest.
What chest? Where is the chest?
It's in some place. Well, no, it's somewhere. Come on, fall already, you little dimwit! I'm just owning the owner right now. The owner has, yeah, come down and help me. The owner has like 500 protection 5 stuff.
Coming, getting my stuff, so yeah. He's a desert ditch or something there.
Desert eagle.
I shot him with my bow, so
Oh, I almost shot you.
hide in his.
Oh, I killed the dude. Long shot kill. Oh, come.
He's like, what the fuck? Why aren't you in the top 15?
Gosh, the scoreboard resetted. I had 15 kills then the reset came.
But 1, 2, there's only one, so.
Yeah, I had 2 kills, but that won't show until the next scoreboard will come. Here you get time on. You fall down. You fell down. Where are you?
I fell down, so.
Why did you right spawn? 1 second and you will be there.
I have such a lag, so. I'm coming. And I am lagging. Fuck, my Minecraft almost trash.
Oh, here, come up. Fast! Oh, I will just throw your sword. Go get it! I drew you a good sword and you didn't get it. Now we will get it. And get this and this and this and this.
Thanks. So I don't lose it. I try.
Oh no, don't worry. You in this map there are stuff hidden. So yeah. You got the sword, right? Pump it louder. Pump. You fell down. Jump. Wait. This side. Don't jump. Right spawn.
Sa ei pea tapma, ta ütles, et ta ei tapa. You don't have to kill him. He said he don't kill anybody and he don't kill him, so. Don't kill him, I think.
Nope, he will kill me.
I'm on the ice kind of thing. Islands. I don't know how they call it.
We'll try, he will kill you.
Mul pole mõtet anda ja seda asja, see on nagu sitt läheb mul praegu. Ma pean minema arvutisse ja asju, sest et mäng nii palju ei lähe.
So yeah, bye guys then.